Hello friends, before I will go to the next method, I want to give the homework to you. Solve problem set 1.1, remaining example by both the methods. You have to solve the remaining example of the exercise 1.1 and write it in on the notebook properly. Then I am going to start with our third method, graphical method, to find out the solutions of the given equation. In graphical method, you have to solve, this is the first simultaneous equation, this one is the second simultaneous equation. You have to solve this simultaneous equation. Instead of solving it by the elimination and the substitution, you have to solve this example by the graphical method. For solving this example by the graphical method, you have to use the Cartesian coordinate system. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this both the axes, whatever we will form, that one is called as the Cartesian coordinate system. First of all, you have to find out the coordinates of the x and y. So the example is x plus y is equal to 4. This is the first example, and 2x minus y is equal to 2. For solving this example by the graphical method, you have to make the chart like this. This is the x coordinate, this one is the y coordinate, and this is the together xy coordinate. In the same manner, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate of this equation, and this is the xy coordinate. So in this type of the example, you have to consider the coordinate of the x and you have to find out the coordinate of the y. By your own, you have to decide the coordinate of the x and you have to put these values in the equation, given equation, and you have to find out the y coordinate. Our equation is x plus y is equal to 4. First of all, I will consider the value of x as minus 1. I will consider the value of x, I will put that value in the equation, and I will find out the y coordinate of that point. Then if I will put the value of x as minus 1, our equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Minus 1 plus y is equal to 4. You have to transpose this minus 1 to that side. That become plus 1. Y is equal to 4 plus 1. Y is equal to 5 will come. Means if x coordinate is minus 1, the y coordinate is 5, and this together coordinate is, I will write this as minus 1, 5. In the same manner, you have to minimum 3 points you have to find out like this. Means 3 solutions of the x you have to consider, and you have to find out the 3 solutions of the y. In the same manner, I will consider the next value of the x as 4. When x, I will consider the value of x as 4, I will put this value of x as 4 in equation x plus y is equal to 4. Then this will be 4 plus y is equal to 4. 4 plus y is equal to 4. You have to find out the value of y. You have to transpose this plus 4 that side. 4 minus 4 is equal to, you have to write 0, and y is equal to 0 will come, and this coordinate will be 4, 0. Then third solution I have to find out. So I will consider the value of x as 1. For putting the value of x as 1 in equation 1, x is equal to 1, x plus y is equal to 4, 1 plus y is equal to 4, y is equal to, this plus 1 becomes minus 1, 4 minus 1, y is equal to 3 value will come, and this point will be 1, 3. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. This one is the x coordinate, this one is the y coordinate. Like this, minimum 3 points of the one equation you have to find out properly. In the same manner, you have to consider the equation second. You have to consider the 3 value of the x. First of all, I will consider the value of x as 0. After that, I will consider this as 1. After that, I will consider as 3. Then you have to put this x is equal to 0 in the given equation number 2. 2 multiplied by 0 minus y is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to, this answer will come 0. Then I will write this as 0 minus y is equal to 2, y is equal to, this answer will come minus 2. And this coordinate will come 0, 2. This is the x coordinate, this one is the y coordinate. When x is equal to 1, that time you have to find out the value of the y. X is equal to 1, at that time 2 multiplied by 1 minus y is equal to 2. 2 1s are 2, minus y is equal to 2. You have to transpose this to that side. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 will come. Minus y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 will come. Then for the value of x is equal to 1, value of y will come 0, and this coordinate will be 1, 0. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. Then you have to consider the value of x as 3. By your own mind you have to consider the value of x and y. Then x is equal to 3. At that time you have to put x value as 3. 2 multiplied by 3 minus y is equal to 2. 6 minus y is equal to 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to y. Minus 2 you have to transpose that side. 2 you have to transpose this side. This plus 2 becomes minus 2. Minus y becomes plus y. Y is equal to 4 will come. Means for the value of x is equal to 3. Y is equal to 4 will come. This coordinates will be 3, 4. This is the x coordinate and this one is the y coordinate. In this way you have to find out minimum 3 points of the one equation and the 3 points of the other equation. And you have to plot the graph of this line on the Cartesian coordinate system, and graph of this line also you have to plot on the Cartesian coordinate system. Everybody understand this? Minimum you have to consider the 3 solutions. For plotting the graph, for plotting the line on the graph, you have to minimum 3 solutions, means 3 solutions of the x you have to consider, 1, 2, 3, and you have to find out the 3 solutions of the y. 3 solutions of the x you have to consider and 3 solutions of the y you have to find out. And in this way you have to plot this point. One line you have to plot on the graph. This is the Cartesian coordinate system. This is the x-axis, this one is the y-axis, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. This is the positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis and negative y-axis. And you have to, step by step, you have to plot the point. First of all, you will plot this line, x plus y is equal to 4. First coordinate is minus 1, 5. For the x-axis, minus 1 and y-axis 5. This point is this minus 1, 5, xy. This is the point. You have to, by the dotted line, you have to plot the point like this. Second point is 4, 0 plus 4, x-axis 4 and y-axis 0. 4, 0 will come here. This is the second point. And third point, 1, 1, 3. 1, 3 will come here. This is x-axis 1 and y-axis 3. So this point will come here, 1, 3. In this way, you have to join this point. This is the first point, this is the second point, this one is the third point. You have to join these points by drawing the line. You have to make the arrow and you have to upside, you have to write the equation of the line. X plus y is equal to 4. Then in the similar manner, you have to plot the line of these points. This 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 will come here. Then 1, 0. 1, 0 will come here because x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 1 and y coordinate will come 0. This is the origin. The coordinates of the origin is 0, 0. Then 3, 4. X coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 4. So this point will come. Then these are the points of this 3, 4, 1, 0 and 0 minus 2. This is the points of this line. You have to join this point by drawing the line. After that, you have to write upside the equation of the line. 2x minus y is equal to 2. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. So you have to find out the solution. Actually, what is the solution of this equation? In the elimination and substitution, whatever we are getting the solution, that way if you want to find out the solution, at that time you have to see the point of intersection of both the lines. Where both the lines will meet, that one is the solution of your given both the equations. So you have to see that both the lines are meeting in this point. And which are the coordinates of this point? So I will say that x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is also 2. Y coordinate is also 2. This is the solution of the given equation. Because both the lines are intersecting at the one point and that point is 2, 2. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 2. This is the solution of the given line. In this way, you have to find out the solution of the given line. Friends, this graph you have to draw on the graph paper, but properly you have to write all this. Whatever I wrote, that way you have to make the charts and you have to write this example. In the exam, this question will be asked for the 4 marks. You have to solve the 3 solutions and you have to plot the graph. I think you understand these things. And downside you have to write, therefore, both the lines will intersect at point 2 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 are solution of given equation. Everybody understand?